Welcome back. This is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're at the Los Angeles Classic Auto Show at the LA Convention Center. Now, this show is amazing. It's one of the largest classic car shows in the country, and there's enthusiasts and collectors from around the whole entire country here at this amazing show. There's everything from classic Rolls-Royce, classic Ford, Chevys, everything that celebrates the classic history of the automobile. Now, right here, we're getting the car ready for the show, and we're cleaning it up today on this beautiful 1929 Pontiac race car. Now, this thing is amazing. This is a custom race car that was built and restored from the ground up. And I mean, this thing is amazing. Even check this out. This thing has original wooden wheels, right? These aren't steel wheels. These are actually wood. So they're carved wood wheels and bolted together. Amazing. So how do you get a classic car ready for the show? Especially a car as beautiful as this. This one has hand-painted parts. Come here, guys. I'll check this out. The original lettering right here is hand painted, and a lot of this car is a handmade vehicle, and it's been restored. So how are we gonna get this car cleaned up? We wanna make sure there's no dust, no fingerprints on the car, so it stays looking good. So I'm gonna use our best-selling Masterson's detail spray. This is the best-selling product that I recommend to detail any type of classic car. The detail spray has no wax, no sealant. It only has gloss enhancers and UV solar blockers. So that way it's gonna clean all areas of the car. It's gonna work on the paint, it's gonna work on the wheels, it's gonna work on the leather and the glass, it's gonna work on everything. Now you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and always remember to click that notification bell right there at the bottom next to the subscribe button, and make sure you get all the latest videos from us at Masterson's Car Care. Now, to do this today, I'm gonna be using our fluffy finish 16 by 16 edgeless microfiber towels. These are extra plush, extra fluffy. These are our most elegant microfiber towels, and it's gonna be perfect for this classic, beautiful Pontiac race car. So let's get started. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna use 2 microfibers today. I'm gonna set one down, and I'm gonna show you how we've been detailing this beautiful car. Let's start on this side. Now I'm gonna take my detail spray, shake it up, turn it on, and then I'm gonna give a light spray right on the vehicle. Now, if you notice, I'm not trying to spray a lot in those vents because I can go inside to the engine. So I'm just giving a light spray. Now I'm gonna take my microfiber towel, and we're gonna wipe in one direction. How we wipe over the microfiber and take off all the dust, any type of carbon. This is an older car, so there's a lot of carbon that gets built up on the car as well. And look, I can even wipe off this leather strap. This is an antique leather strap. I don't wanna hurt the leather, but the detail spray is safe for that as well. There we go. Now I'm gonna take my microfiber towel, my second one, and I'm gonna give this a nice little buff. There we go. These louver vents are amazing. Come in close, guys. Check out these louver vents. These are like vents from like a World War II aircraft. I mean, this is from 1929, so it's a pre-World War II vehicle. But this is great. This is an amazing car. Seriously, I love cool old cars like this that are like a race car. The owner has actually driven this on custom racetracks. Like, come and check this out. It's been at the Sonoma Historical Motorsports Festival. This is a track event. And then the Rolex Vintage Festival. That's amazing. So this car is a driver. It's not a car that just sits around at events like this at the Classic Auto Show. The owner really does like to drive it. If you like this car, also go check out our other video where we cleaned his custom race car Green Wings last year at the same show. I'll put a link to that video right here in the bottom, and that truly is an amazing car as well. Now let's keep going. We'll clean the rest of this car. I'll show you how I've been doing this. Now, right here, you notice I sprayed some on this exhaust. This exhaust gets very dirty, and he even said there was some car cover goo that got stuck on there. So I'm gonna try to wipe it off. We couldn't clean off this melted part, but I told the owner, and the owner said the same thing. It gives it character. Like, this was a race car, you know? You can even see that the header right here is like a straight piece of pipe that goes down with this connector. And that's the type of like technology and the fabrication that they had in the 1920s and 30s, is they got cool garage pieces like that and made it into the cool car. The owner was telling me that this is set up to be exactly like a car that was like a garage hot rod back in the day that was like built by some young guys and they wanted to take it racing. So let's go ahead and move down to the other side of the car. I'm gonna shake it up and let's do this glass. There we go. I'll spray this as well. Take my microfiber towel again. I'm gonna start wiping. And look how easy our microfiber towel works with our detail spray. Our detail spray truly is amazing because it has no wax and no sealant. So it'll never streak and it will never cause any problems on the vehicle. We got a lot of people coming around checking out this car because this is hot. This is really hot. Let's take our microfiber and go ahead and buff off the excess nice to a nice high gloss shine. There we go. So easy, so fast. Let's get the window. There we go. I love these windows. They're like pure race car. It's like you want to get the air, move it down a little bit. So cool. And I love these knobs. It's just amazing. There we go. I see some little dust over here, guys. Come over here. Check this out. There's some dust right here. Look how easy we wipe that off. So easy the way we're doing this, guys. And you guys can stay right there. I'm gonna go over to the other side to show you guys how we can clean the steering wheel because we're doing a quick detail. So come in here, guys. Check out the interior on this. This thing's so cool, right? You have the gear shift right here. Look how far back it goes. And these little tiny pedals. You guys see this? The pedals are so tiny. It's amazing. Now, this is one area I wanted to clean is this wooden steering wheel. I love the wooden steering wheel. Come in and check out like the grooves that are routed into the steering wheel itself. Amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray my microfiber towel. This is our fluffy finish microfiber towel that you can pick up on our website, mastersonswax.com. And I'm just going to lightly clean the steering wheel. There we go. And it gives it that nice high gloss shine. This is a lacquer wood finish. There we go. That's a beautiful lacquer wood finish. That's amazing. And it looks nice. It feels good. It's protected. All because we use the Masterson's detail spray. Now I'm gonna come around, guys. Come over here, and I'm gonna show you one last trick, is the front wheel. This thing is like crazy. Look at this. It's like a metal barrel, and then the spokes are wood, and there's a drum brake in between. So I don't wanna hurt this wood. This is like an original wood wheel. This cannot be reproduced, so I don't wanna harm this. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take my detail spray, I'm gonna spray it on the wheel. I'm gonna take my microfiber towel, fold it to a clean side, and then I'm just gonna give it a light wipe. There we go. Now look how easy we clean this wheel, right? All the dust comes off the wheel, and that's what I love about our Masterson's detail spray, is it works on new cars. So if you got a new car and it's all painted chrome, plastic, rubber, vinyl, it's gonna work great. But it's also gonna work great on these classic cars. This is the first time on our YouTube channel that we've detailed a car with wooden wheels. That's amazing, right? Wooden wheels. There we go, and look at the finish. It's perfect, and it gave it a nice finish because the paint on this wood wheel has like a light shine to it. It really is amazing. I love this car. This is truly amazing. Could you guys imagine driving down the road in this thing? I mean, what a treat, guys. Now I got some more detailing to do on this car. I gotta detail the other side, and then we're gonna go ahead and place a coat of sealant on this car. So check out our other video where we apply a full coat of sealant to this beautiful 1929 Pontiac race car. Now thanks a lot for viewing today, guys. I got some more detailing to go. If you wanna pick up our Masterson's detail spray and our microfiber towels, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. And remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Everything from detailing new cars to motorcycles to cool classic race cars just like this one. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.